It is the morning of Sunday, November 29th, 2009. Chloe's in her busy drawer, and I think she might talk to us. So we're just going to observe. Oh, and she's Cassie. Hope you enjoyed that. Okay. What's in your mouth? Are you a puppy? I thought you were gonna sing. Oh, Lynn's cat. All while still having a toy in your mouth. That's talent. Okay, I'm gonna hide the Lynn's cat. Ah, baby attack! Okay, let's bring your interest back over here. What's that? Is that a board? Bonk. Bonk, okay, moving that. Are you sitting on a white board? Mm-hmm. What's that? Yeah, picture. Chloe. Oh, destroy photo. Alright, I'm going to move that up there. How can I get that? All while the pink dog is still in the mouth. What are you doing? Oh, pink dog's out. Good morning. Oh, don't go to the trash can. You and this trash can have such a weird love affair. Okay, let's sing some songs. You're busy. Oh. Books. What's that? Oh, you're so big. Oh. Boom. Slow crawling because her jammies are a little big. as you can see. You got anything to say, Chloe? Duh. It's almost Dad. What'd you find? Let's see before whatever it is. Oh, it's a string. There's that super baby vision. Where are your legs and your big pajamas? Okay, well, I guess it's playtime and not linguistic time. But that's okay. Right, Chloe? That's okay. You can play with your toys. Chloe, you want to say bye-bye? Chloe! Chloe! You want to say bye-bye? Yes, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye for now.